Hey 10th graders, it's Friday, September 11th. Today you need to go and watch all of your classmates' videos on Schoology. To get there, you'll click right here where it says student videos, and it should bring up the links that your classmates have submitted so that you can get to know everybody. After you're done doing that, then I want you to set some goals for this year. So when you click on this goals form, right here, it'll bring you to a goals sheet. Please make sure I have your first and last name, as well as your hour, your academic goals for the year and why they're important, what you're going to do to reach the goals, your personal goals for the year, why they're important, and what you're going to do to reach those. And then lastly, how can I help you reach your goals? That's all you have to do for today. Don't forget to go onto campus and check that you were present for class so that you don't get marked absent. Otherwise, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great weekend.